to get to my point, what I'm calling for is transparency on the allocable budget for the DPWH per district and every other government agency, and that this can be done immediately before the approval next Monday of the 2026 budget. Every government agency can release the allocable budget. I'm asking the DOH to release the allocable budget per district of MAIP. I'm asking the DSWD to release the allocable budget per district of AIX. I am asking the DepEd to release the allocable budget per district of classrooms. I am asking the NIA and the DA to release the allocable budget per district of FMRs and even the newly created Presidential Assistance for Farmers and Fisher Folks. And this is not simply for information, because when there is transparency, we can ensure that there's less corruption and less abuse of the allocation of budgets in exchange for financial consideration. Because it has been much reported that there is similar anomalies in not least the farm-to-market roads of the DA. So we have already disclosed the allocable budgets of every district in the DPWH. I am kindly asking the Department of Agriculture to release the allocable budgets or the assigned budgets of every district in the country for farm-to-market roads. The list of FMRs for 2026 has already been enumerated, and I would like to ask that before the budget is approved on Monday, we can see how much the budget of every district is in FMRs. And lastly, I would like to ask the House of Representatives to explain why did it increase its own budget by almost 10 billion pesos or almost 31 million pesos per congressman, and where the almost 8 billion peso increase in MOOE will go, not only as lump sums, but per congressman. How much will every congressman get out of the almost 8 billion pesos increase in MOOE?